Patrice, obviously we live in a world where social media has been democratized and everyone can have access to a massive audience. Now, footballers, Ronaldo is the most followed person in the world on Instagram, and many footballers have tens of millions, including yourself, of followers. And so they are able to exploit this IP that they now own themselves personally rather than going through third parties. I want to know, do you think that all footballers should be focusing on this, or should we leave this to the Messis and the Evras of this world?
No, I think it doesn't matter about the level you're playing. It's all about timing. I think in life everything is about timing. I was against the social media when I was playing, because I think in life when you want to succeed in something, you need to sacrifice everything for it. And if you can see all those players a little bit late when they are at the end of their career and they start to be involving in social media, but for the player not playing in a big club, also it gives them a chance to communicate with their fan, but also with the press, because sometimes people write the wrong things, so you can defend yourself. But like I say, it will be difficult for me to be on social media when I was performing in the high level, because you can play football to have fun, but you can also play football if you want to reach the top of the pyramid. And to stay at the top of the pyramid, that's when you need a lot of sacrifice and consistency. So to answer your question, everyone can have access of it, but I just think it's all about timing.
Yeah.